I'm now going to show you how to create a quote. I'm going to scan in an item on my sales screen. And on the bottom of my sales screen, I'm going to click Save Open Quote. A customer quote dialog box like this appears. I could click on my search bar and select an existing customer, or I could create a new customer by clicking on Add New. I'm going to search for a customer named Cam. So type in Cam, press Enter, and I'm going to double click on her name. I'm going to tick Email Quote, and the quote will be emailed to the customer. To view an existing quote, you can click on Save Open Quote on your sales screen here. A dialog quote box like this appears. I'm going to select on my quote, and from here I could print this quote, I could cancel this quote, or I can convert this quote to an invoice. I'm going to convert it to an invoice, so I'm going to click here, and a message asks me, are you sure you want to convert this quote to an invoice? I'm going to click yes. I can now proceed with this as a normal sale. I'm going to select F5 on my keyboard. And this is a credit card payment, so I'm going to use my shortcut F2. And F5, and that is how you would convert a quote to a sale. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.